Hi, this is Luis with Artistry.io, and in this video I will show you how to use the rendering templates. The best way to show you that is by explaining the problem that you can solve with rendering templates. So let's go to one of my product templates here. It's a customizable pillow that, as you can see, the whole area of the design is this one here. You can see the border here. The actual dimensions are this. But the problem I have is that for my production file, the one that I'll need for printing, the dimensions are are different. The actual dimensions that I need are the same as my options layer here, which is 5100 pixels by 5100 pixels. So I need a way to tell the system that when it's gonna generate the production files, not to use this whole area over here, but use the 5100 pixels wide and high that I actually need for my production file. So what I'll do, the first thing I'll do is go to rendering settings. And here you can select or change the rendering template that the system is going to use for your product template. If you click here on set change button, you'll see the browser of the rendering templates that you have available on your app right now. For this purpose, I'm going to create a new one, and I'm just going to call it the actual dimensions that I need, and just enter the dimensions here. So as you can see, rendering templates are very similar to your actual product templates. You can add different layers, you can add different views and different images. For this one, I'm gonna keep it simple. As you can see here, there's a rendering layer here called, rendering layer, and the dimensions are 5100 by 5100 pixels. So now that I have that rendering layer, oops, I closed it here. Let me open the browser again. Click here again, and now that I have it ready on my system, I'm just gonna click on this link here to select it. And now the rendering template that I created is connected to my custom pillow template. I still need to tell the system what area from here it is going to use to transfer to the rendering template. So it's really easy. What you need to do is create a new layer on your product template and call it the same way as the rendering layer on your rendering template. So let's go ahead and create a new layer here. I'm gonna call it rendering layer and give it the dimensions that I need. And it's this one here. You can see it here. So I'm gonna move it to the area that I need rendered and click save. Actually, I'm gonna use the same areas as my options layer, which is 700 by 890. So let's go ahead and do that. 700, 890. So now that I have a rendering template and a rendering layer identified in my product template, the system knows that when it's going to generate a production file for these products, it's going to use this area here. So basically it's going to take whatever pixels, whatever image you have in this template and transfer that area to the rendering template. So I hope that makes sense. Let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and put an order to show you how to do it. So um, just I'll be right back. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. So now well, you waited, which is probably around 10 seconds or maybe less. Anyway, I put an order for a custom product for this pillow, and it should be in my orders list now. Uh, it's this one here, order number 1021, and so I'm gonna go ahead and click on this apps button. This is your regular, your default, your actual Shopify order page. This is not the app, and if you see here um, in the top right area of your window, there is a button called Apps. If you click on it, you'll see the Artistry.io link. So I'm gonna go click on it, and this will bring me to a page where you can see the customization details for this order. And you can also download your production file. So this is the pillow that I created. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on production file. I'm sorry, download production image, and the system is gonna do its magic. Let's give it some seconds. All right, so the image is downloaded, and it's this one here. So here's the image. It has a transparent background because that's how I need it for printing. But if I click on image properties, you'll see that the actual dimensions are 5100 pixels, 5100 pixels by 5100 pixels. So that's the actual size that I need for my production image. Um, so that's how rendering templates work. You can manage your rendering templates from the actual product that you're going to use it on, or you can go here to the rendering templates page, and here you can update your templates, your rendering template. You can delete it, or you can make copies of them. Um, and if you want to create a new one, just click on the new template here. And it's basically the same screen that you saw before in the product template context. So that's it. That's how rendering templates work. If you have any comments or questions, please let us know. Thank you.